Just to let you know, my new blog went up online yesterday. And this week I've written about energy within our body, both negative and positive. Last week I spent last Saturday qualifying in a new technique. Now it's called kinetic shift. But what it allows you to do is release that negative energy inside of you. Release those thoughts, those injustices, those past hurts. Because if you feel negative, especially about yourself, well, it's addictive. So if you go into a play, a shop or work, and you're feeling bad about yourself, you're feeling negative, it radiates to other people. They then feel negative. They then start worrying. You don't want to do that. You want to feel good about yourself. You want to be grateful for what you have. As humans, we tend to only focus on the negative things, the bad things that have happened to us. We forget all the good things. So what about if I said to you, yeah, think of that bad image. Where is it in your body? How does it make you feel? And let's draw it out of you. Let's get rid of that feeling. It can be done. I've had a brilliant week this week, and I've been putting into practice alongside the other hypnotherapy techniques that I have, but I've been putting alongside this kinetic shift, and I have been astounded with the results. It has been absolutely fabulous, and I know that those people will then go on and let their friends know, because they came out and they felt positive. They felt wonderful. So isn't it time to let go? We can't change the past, we know that, but what we can do, we can change the way we allow it to affect us, the way we think about it. Because the only thing that we can control is the here and now. So, forget the past. If you made a mistake, you've learned from it. If the mistake wasn't yours, why worry about it? And the future, who knows what's going to happen in the future. But the here and now, well, that you can control. But if you could control it, feeling better about yourself, even going to as far as to say loving yourself, and it's not conceited, it's actually necessary. Why not book in? Book a consultation. Let me tell you more about it. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye-bye.